Hello. Axial. Downhill. Ready? Go.
Your best bet is put it under there.
What's our rule?
Here we go!
Fuck it out!
Woo! Yeah, dude!
Shit, man!
This front brake is shit!
So it's moving down.
Oh! This chain might snap. Here we go, bumps. Oh, we're slowing down. And we're off again. Pedal. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Push, push. Not enough roll. Here we go again. Whoa! Oh! No! Oh! This is tense on my arm. I got mud all over me! Woo! Oh! Whoa! The front wheel's sliding. Back this side. Whoa! Oh shit again. There's the slippy bit. I can't slow down. Whoa! Oh, I'm covered. Oh, the chain's come off.
Fuck the chain!
Yeah, but it'll lock up.
Fuck it!
Yeah, and the front back wheel locks up. We're fucked.
Oh, anyway.
You shouldn't stay at me! If that chain locks up, mate, we're off. I can tell you that now. I better slow down. Oh, there's no cars. Told you that chain to come up, you shouldn't stay to me. We look like nutcases.
There's me going to fucking on.
Look at the state of me.
Oh, fuck it out,
I'm quite sure that chain's still on there. Oh. Can't leave things still going. I'm absolutely plastered in mud. Yeah, I better go wide. Oh, fucking hell! I can't believe how covered I am. I've definitely got to get a shower.
You the fucking state of me.
Pull up on a path.
Coming to an end. We're coming to an end. Oh, my leg.
It's alright. No, I got it on the front.
I can't see more back. What's it like? I just got covered. That's how we fucking push bike motorbike.